One day, Jesus was walking past a goat farm. Suddenly, he saw the farm was on fire. The goats were running in panic, crying out in fear. Jesus stopped. He slowly raised his hand toward the flames. With his divine power, the fire was instantly put out. The farm was saved and the goats were safe. Then one by one, the goats ran toward Jesus. They circled around him joyfully, as if dancing in gratitude. The moment was filled with peace, love, and a deep sense of thankfulness. If you love Jesus, then give this video a like.